Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy S23, and today I'll show you how you can boot this phone into safe mode. So to get started, you'll want to pull down your notifications. Do that once more. This will show you the power button, so click on it. Once you see your boot options, you want to hold power off. When you hold it, there we go. When you hold it, it should switch into safe mode. I'm gonna do that once more. It looks like we need to first press it and then hold it. So once it switches into safe mode, you can tap on it, and this will now initiate a reboot of the device. And once it boots back up, it will be in safe mode. Now, while it's actually booting up, I'm gonna quickly maybe explain what safe mode is used for and what are the effects of it. So when your phone boots into safe mode, all the applications that you have installed yourself will be temporarily disabled. That also includes some of the Samsung applications as well. They will be visible on the home screen as a monochrome app, and if you try to open it up, it will tell you that downloaded apps are disabled in safe mode. Now, this is specifically used to troubleshoot your device. So if maybe you are developing some kind of application, or you downloaded one, some kind of malware, and it's basically preventing you from using your device, you can boot it into safe mode, and from there you can easily get rid of it. That app should not have any way of running in this mode. It will be just completely killed off, and you can just simply uninstall it. And as you can see, we have a safe mode marking right here. Once I unlock the device, you can see widgets seem to not function here. Also in Google folder, I can already see a bunch of apps that are not gonna work, like Drive, Google TV, YouTube Music, Photos for some reason. Interestingly enough, Photos from Google doesn't work, even though this is a Android OS, but Gallery seems to work. Go figure, Samsung. Amazing bloatware. And in here, I can see they luckily decided to block Facebook as well. I'm saying luckily because some other Samsung devices decided that Samsung is a crucial application in spying. So it was actually one of the apps that was still permitted to run even in safe mode. And they decided to change that now, I guess. But there we go. And obviously, if you try to open it up, like I said, it gives you this pop-up, downloaded apps disabled in safe mode. Now, once you're done with this mode and you want to go back to the normal one, all you need to do is, again, select your boot menu and simply tap on Restart. This will reboot the device, and once it boots back up, it will be back in a normal mode. Now, with this being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.